The Disney Hotstar app playback error PL-1300 is a generic error message that can occur for a variety of reasons. Here are some steps you can take to try to fix the error. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for this error is a bad internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Method 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. To do this, long press on your device, then click on Restart. After restarting, check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then follow the next method. Method 3. Log out of Disney Hotstar and log back in. To do this, go to the Disney Hotstar app, go to My Space in the bottom right corner. Then click on Help Settings. Then, click on Log Out. Once you have logged out, log back in and see if the error is still there. Method 4. Clear the app's cache and data. To do this, long press on Disney Hotstar app, click on App Info, then click on Force Stop, and then tap on Storage Cache. Then, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go back, click on Permissions, then allow all needed permissions. Method 5. Update the Disney Hotstar app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Disney Hotstar app installed. To do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Disney Hotstar. If an update is available, tap on Update. Method 6. Try watching a different video. If the error only occurs with one particular video, then the problem may be with the video itself. Method 7. Contact Disney Hotstar support. If you have tried all of the above steps and the error is still occurring, then you can contact Disney Hotstar support for help. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The error may also occur if you are using a VPN or proxy service. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.